Ermita de Santa Lucia. Wow, look at that view. Oh my goodness. Guys, ang ganda nito kasi talagang nasa ano siya, parang tip of the mountain. At the view. Wow. So beautiful. Isn't it lovely?